Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we have a second rock slide at the White Pass Railroad in Skagway, Alaska. That happened around 5 p.m. yesterday. Now, there were no injuries and no damage to any cruise ships reported, and only a security shack that was in the way of the rock slide was damaged, but no people, no cruise ships. Just one small building was damaged in this rock slide. Now, someone did get video of the rock slide. I'm going to go ahead and put the short clip up here for you guys so you can take a look. Now, the Norwegian Encore, she was docked at the cruise pier when this happened. She moved away from the pier in an abundance of caution, and the remaining passengers that were still ashore, they were just tendered back to the ship. So they switched from being dockside to tendering operations in order to get everybody back on board. Now, this rock slide occurred in the same general location as the one that occurred back on June 23rd. And when that happened, they closed that dock and it remained closed until June 5th. And even then, they still said there was a chance, there was a risk of additional rock slides occurring. And unfortunately, it has happened just like they said it might. Now, at this time, there's no itinerary changes. No cruise lines are making any changes. I think they're just going to try their best to make arrangements to dock in other locations, to tender in if necessary. But if you do have an upcoming cruise to Skagway, just kind of keep an eye out for any emails from the cruise lines, just in case there are any future changes. And if we hear of any, we'll of course let everybody know. But this is 2 rock slides here in just a couple of months. They're going to have to really take a close look at this before they allow cruise ships to dock on it again. And next time, there could be people embarking and disembarking on these ships and a bigger rock slide come down. I really think it's quite a big risk to keep letting cruise ships dock there until they're sure this is not going to just keep happening over and over again. Because they could end up with a rock slide one time, people could get killed, and that is not something we want to see for anybody that's just out trying to enjoy their cruise vacation or is working there for that matter. So hopefully they get some experts over there and get this all figured out. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course lets you know anytime a news video comes out just like this one. Hope everyone's having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.